Hello everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 1.4 of number system for class 9. So the question number first is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So first of all you should know what is successive magnification. That is, it is a process of visualization of representation of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass. Okay, so how we will be doing it? So first you have to see the number is 3.765. First draw the number line. Yes, and we can see our number will be lying between the first number is your, that is your 3.765. the first number is your 3. That means your number will be lying between 3 and 4. So just first draw the number line 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here the negative terms will be there, -2, -3, -4, and so on. So the first number is 3, so your number will be lying between this 3 and 4. Okay, so your magnifying glass will be over here. Okay, now draw another number line. Now you can see the next number is 7. Okay, so that means you will be drawing, this is your 3 and this is your 4. Now draw this, it should be divided into 10. Okay, we are having 10 divisions. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and take this to be 9. Okay, so you can write after this, it will be 3.1 3.2 3.3 like this. Okay, so we want 3.7, so where it will be 3.1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this point, okay, so this point is your 3.7 and this point is your 3.8. okay, so this time your magnifying glass will be over here. Okay, now after this, from here we have taken, you can draw like this. Okay, and this is your 4 over here. Okay, now again draw a number line. Now you can see after 7 what you want, 6. Okay, now we will be drawing 3.7 and 3.8. between this make 10 divisions. 1 3, divide it into 10. 1 2 3. Okay, so you can see 3.7 and 3.8. now we want, it is 3.76, so it will be 3.71. okay, 3.71 3.72 like this it will be. Okay, 3.71 72 73 74 75, then 76. Yes, So it is your 3.76 and this one is your 3.77. So your magnifying glass will be over here. Yes. So from here we have taken 3.7 from here and we have taken 3.8 from here. Okay. Now up till 3.76 we have come. Now we want 3.65 we want. Okay. So now draw one more number line. Now you are having 3.76 over here and 3.77 over here. Yes, this is like this. You can draw by scale, okay? Then it will be more accurate. Now you will be having 10 divisions over here. Divided into 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and these distances will be same. Okay, by scale you will be drawing. Okay, now after 3.76 it is 5, so it will be 3.76, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be your 3.765. Okay, so this place is your 3.765. Okay, so in this way you can do this. Okay, now the second question is visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. They are saying up till 4 decimal places you have to draw this. So what they are saying, that is 4.26 bar over both these numbers. Okay, and you can write it like this, 4.2626. repetition is going on. Yes, and we want to draw for 4 decimal places. So now draw this number. First draw a number line like this. Okay, so your number will be lying between, first number is your 4, so the number will be lying between 4 and 5. So first draw the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here the negative numbers will be there. Yes, so your number will be lying between this 4 and 5. Okay, so your magnifying glass will be over here. Okay, now after this draw a number line. Now your numbers will be between 4 and 5. Now take here 4 and here take 5. Then 10 divisions will be there. So 1, take it equal. Okay, equal divisions will be there. Then now you can see after 4 the next term is 2, so this will be 4.1, 4.2 over here. Okay, so you can say it is 4.2 and this will be a 4.3. Yes, so you can take your magnifying glass will be over here. Okay, now after this, and you can draw like this. Okay, now draw the number line. Now we will be taking between 4.2 and 4.3. Now take 4.2 and 4.3. Then 10 divisions will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So now after 2 it is 6. So 4.21, 4.21, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one will be 4.26 and this is your 4.27. Yes. So your magnifying glass is over here. Okay. And you can draw the line over here like this. This 4.3 we have taken. You can draw by scale, okay? Now after this, the number after 6 it is 2. Okay, so we will be taking over here, that is 4.26 and this is your 4.27. Okay, now here 10 divisions will be there. Okay, now it will, we want after 4.26 we want 4.262. That means 261, 262. So this will be 4.262. Okay, and this point will be 4.263. So your magnifying glass is over here and this your number is we have taken from here. Okay, draw the straight line. Okay, then after this draw a number line over here. Now we want to take 4.262 and we want to take 4.263. Okay, we have taken this from here. Yes. Okay, now 10 divisions will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now what they are saying, after 2 it is 6. Okay, so 4.262, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is your 4.2626, or you can say 4.26 bar. So this point is your 4.26 bar. So in this way you can do it. Hope you have understood it. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.